am Joann of 7 Kalpakam Branch Master G. Today I am taking a seminar on data handling. What is data? Collection of information or observations for some useful purpose. So the collection of information or observations for some useful purpose is called data. What is the use of data? Okay, so the use of data is to get hold of information, to keep records and to make decisions about important issues. Now our next topic is representative values. Our first representative value is mean. What is mean? Mean is a ratio between sum of all observations and number of observations. That is, mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. So, for our example is going to be, what is the mean of the given data? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, the answer is going to be, first we are going to add all these numbers and total as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, denominator is going to become 5. So, after adding this, we are going to write the denominator as 5 and we will get 15 by 5. So, we can multiply by 1 and 3. So, we are going to get 3 by 1, which is the answer become 3. So, the mean is 3. Our next representative value is median. What is median? The minimum value of a given data is called median. There are two cases for median. Case 1 is, what if the number of observations are odd? The answer for that is, the median of the odd number is n plus 1 by 2 term. That n is the number of observations plus 1 term. Case 2. What if the number of values are even? The answer for this is the median of even numbers is n plus 1 by 2 plus n by 2. Our third representative value is mode. What is mode? Mode is the most occurring value in a given data. Example, what is the mode in the given data? 1, 3, 5, 7, 6, 7, 2, 4, 7, 8, 7, 9. For the answer for this example is, the most occurring data is 7 because it occurs 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. Our next topic is graphs. Types of graphs. What are graphs? A graph is a pictorial representation or a diagram that represents data or values in an organized manner. So graphs are a pictorial representation to represent any data or observations. Types of graphs. So first graph is a bar graph, which can look like this. Next graph is the line graph, usually seen in motion time. The next is pie chart, and then donut chart, pyramid chart, tally mark chart, the basic chart, picture graph or pictograph, double bar graph, etc. Example, make a bar graph of marks obtained by 4 students. So here we can understand that this is Ananya, who scored about 40 marks. And here's Nitya, who scored marks in between of 50 and 60 to 55. And then there's Samantha, who got 50 marks. And Vijay, who also got 60 marks. Now make a double bar graph of science and maths marks of 2 children. The first child is Vijay, who scored 98 marks in science. So the pink color represents science. And the light pink represents maths. So maths, this boy's score was 95. And this is Charlie, who scored 86. And Charlie also scored 92 in maths. Okay, now our next topic is pie chart. How to make pie chart? So now this is an example of marks out of 100. And there are 4 children. One is Carter, who got this much portion, which is known as a who got this much part of the sector, and then Chase, who got this much part of the sector, and Razor, who got this much and Ben this much. This is a donut graph. In a donut graph, we are going to say which looks like a donut. So this is the amount saved by 4 members collecting money. So the names of the members are Lena. So Lena's color is light green, which is over here. Lena got saved 4,000 rupees. And next we have Mia, who is the dark green, who saved 5,000 rupees. And we have Nimisha, who is the yellow, who saved 2,000 rupees. And Chika, which is the red, who saved 500 rupees. By this graph, we can understand that the most person with the most amount saved was either of these two. But the most amount saved was Mia, who is the dark green. Next we have is so the first question is find the mean of 2, 4, 6 and 4. So this formula for finding mean is mean is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So the sum of observations is going to be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 by, so the number of observations here is 4. So for the answer for this is going to be, so we are getting is 16 by 4. We can further simplify it by 4 ones are 4 and 4 are 16. So the mean is going to be 4. Our next question is find the median. Find the median of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these numbers are already in the order. So we don't need to write their as orders. We are going to find the median by easy method is to cut this by sides. So the median will be 3. The other method for this is going to be n plus 1 by 2 term. So n is going to be the number of terms we have, which is 5. So 5 plus 1 by 2, which will be 6 by 2. We can further simplify it by 2 ones are 2 and 2 are 6. So the median is 3. Both methods are simple and you can get answer as the same. Next is find the median of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. For this one, we are going to, since the number of terms are even, we are going to do is n plus 1 by 2 plus n by 2. Here, now time to simplify. N is going to be the number of terms, so we have 6 terms. 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 6 by 2. So, 7 by 2 plus 6 by 2. Same we can add it like this. Our next question is fill in the blanks. So, dash is the most occurring value in a given data. So, we can find out that the most occurring value in a given data is going to be more.